Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to another exciting video. We have a USDJPY forecast today. All right, so this is my view on USDJPY, right? So if you zoom out, I'm on a 4 hour time frame right now. If you try and zoom out, you can actually see this really nice uptrend which has been going on for the longest time, right? But again, when you can actually come here, you realize that uh, in the recent time we've seen the market giving us these new lower lows right here. So the question is, will the market continue to go to the upside, or will the market continue to give us new lower lows? That's a very tricky question, right? So we understand that long term USD JPY is in the higher time frame. So if you can go to the daily time frame, you can actually see that this has been like it's been going up for a long time. But we've also seen that the market has been trying to put up new lows right here. Okay, we've seen this since that was since this was I think July. Yeah. So the question is this going to continue to actually continue to drop? Will this trend line hold so that we can continue to go to the downside? Oh, this is going to be actually going to the to go going to go to the upside. At the end of the day, no one knows with 100% certainty what's going to happen. But however, personally, what I'm going to be looking at is this. We've seen a very nice imbalance which was created right here and it was left right here at an imbalance and inefficiency candle right here. So I'm looking for towards selling this market. If by the market the time the market is going to be opening today, if the market can give me a little bit of a pullback up right here to our zone right there, then I would potentially want to see this market going to the downside. Of course, I'm only going to get involved if this market does something like this. All right. It gives me a pullback to the upside so that we can potentially see the market coming into this area, really touching this zone right there. Then we can do this. Okay. I'm looking forward for price to do something like that, right? Like pull back a little bit, probably like take out the high and the low of the high of the Asian range, and then potentially come to my zone right there. Then I'll be willing to actually get involved and see that price goes to the downside. All right. Otherwise, if this market does not give me any pullback right here and it decides to continue to go up, I will not get involved, right? Because my thesis here is that I want to see this level hold, okay? And if that does not hold, I'll be okay staying away. So I'll really watch how this market is going to react when the market opens. If the market opens and it continues to go bullish, well and good, then it means that the overall uptrend is continuing. Okay, but we've seen the recent creation of these new lower lows and lower highs that has been created, and that can actually continue to actually being created. Considering what we had here, we had a really nice level which was left behind, and you can see that price actually came to this level right there, and we actually saw that the market is now reacting to that level with nice momentum. Actually, other traders sold on on Friday. So this move right here on Friday, which is a little bit dangerous. Let me just show you some. I think yeah, I posted this on Facebook. Where do you think the market is likely to go? Is it going to go to the upside or go to the downside? And you can clearly see some of the guys, some of the traders are already in this trade. I saw this guy; he was already in this trade, right? So I'm not sure about this, right? I think this is a little bit too early. If you see here, the market literally just touched this level. It might be lucky and this market can continue to go to the downside. Well and good. But what happens if the market opens and opens up and actually gaps up and continues to go to the upside, right? That would be very, very, very bad for this guy. So I hope you take care of yourself, my friend, because this might be very dangerous. The market can just gap up and continue to go to the upside. And by the way, the market can also just gap up and continue to go to the downside. Nobody knows with 100% certainty. That's the reason why we always have to have a stop loss, and I can see that it actually has a stop loss in place. So it's good, right? So this is actually the very, very nice level right there. We have a nice rally base drop. So we've got the QML, we've got the low and the high. And remember, we are looking at this as a downtrend. Of course, considering the major uptrend is actually still in place. So right here, we have a nice QML, we have a low and a higher high, and then we have a break of structure right here. Beautiful. Then we have a 3D drive right here. We have a nice 3D drive, and you can see that the market closed with a nice candle right there, with nice candle rejection right there. So two things can happen. This market can continue to drop, or it can continue to go up. But I'm willing to get involved if the market gives me a pullback into this area again. So if you go to the lower time frame, yeah, I'm looking for price to pull back into this zone. I want the market to give me a nice penetration right there. After that, then the market can continue to go. Otherwise, if it continues to drop just from here, I don't think I'll get involved until I have a pullback. All right. So tell me what you think. What do you think is going to happen on USDJPY in the comment section? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Comment and let us know. All right. So if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. By the way, this is the stop loss is about 40 pips. If it tries to get involved, the stop loss is about 40 pips, and my target is almost like 600. And this is like a 1 to 17 risk to reward ratio. It is an extremely potentially beautiful, beautiful trade. That's if this market decides to go in our direction. So you guys, that's my forecast on a USDJPY. Remember that. Actually, let me just show you. It's what is interesting is this right here. We have the DXY. We have the DXY close to. It's actually very close to. It's close to the high right here. Let me just show you. So if you go to the higher time frame, you can actually see that we have this high here. So this is where there's a fresh supply zone right there. So yeah. So what do you think is going to happen? Is this supply zone going to hold, or it's going to be run over? Is it going to hold, or it's going to be run over? So with another zone here where the market is actually reacting from here. So if we can see the DXY reacting to going to the downside, meaning the dollar is going to lose strength. Therefore, the USDJPY is going to continue to go to the downside. However, if this DXY continues to go up like that, then also the USDJPY is going to continue to go to the upside, meaning our thesis is going to be proven wrong. But however, remember that anything can happen at any particular time. So we won't try and pick tops and bottoms. What you're going to simply do is react to what the market is going to tell us. It's simple as that. We're just going to react. The market gives us a confirmation at this level right here, and if it gives us a confirmation to actually get involved at this level, we will definitely get involved, and the signal is going to be sent to our private community, right? So that's how it is. So you guys, let me know in the comment section what you think is going to happen here. And yeah, until next time, you guys take care of yourself. I wish you all the very best in this week of trading. Take care of yourself. All right. Goodbye.